to get real, guys. Are you kidding me? Could have been me under that tree, man. Hey, what's up, everybody? Today's Sunday. I'm on my way to Publix. I grabbed a $62 batch. It's a double going 15 miles though. But obviously gonna take it, not gonna let it go. Things been really slow lately, so gotta take everything. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well, making a lot of money, and happy Sunday. Okay guys, this is the order. That's A, that's B. Let's go, deliver. Alright guys, another order. I'm ready to check out. It's a $13 one for 0.6 miles. Let's get it. Alright, that order took me 15 minutes. I'm on my way back to Publix and I'm only like 2 minutes away, so it's great. Gonna have something to eat because I did not have breakfast this morning. So anyway, let's go. Okay guys, so for $8.61 I got myself a boar's head teriyaki Thai nut wrap. Let's try that out. And these blackberries that were buy one get one, so I got just one but for half the price. So we're gonna wash them up with some water and we're gonna eat them. All right guys, so I was sitting at that Publix and $17 order for Lowe's Foods popped up. I grabbed it. It's only going 0.9 miles, 11 items, and I'm like 4 minutes away, so not bad. It'll put me at $90 for the day, and right now it's 11:57. All right guys, that last order took me 24 minutes. As you can hear right now, it's raining pretty bad. And I just grabbed another one. It's a $24 double order for the same store, Lowe's Foods. It's only going 3.4 miles, 19 items. So it's a pretty good one. Go ahead and get it done. But man, this rain is not good. On the other hand, we might be able to get more orders this way. I don't know, man, but I'm not ready for this. Anyway, let's go. There's nothing we can do. All right, I already dropped off the first order. It was like literally 1 minute away from the store, and I'm currently 3 minutes away from the other customer. This order will put me at roughly $115 for the day, which is not bad considering it's only 109 right now. I mean, we'll see what happens with this rain, if we get a better order after this. I don't know. Should I stay out or just go home for a bit, relax? We'll see how things go. Okay, man. It's about to get real, guys. Are you kidding me? Damn. Man, it could have been me. It could have been me under that tree, man. I literally, like, guys, it's crazy. Like, I had just made a U-turn because I had missed a turn. I had missed an intersection or whatever. And then I go back and I see the tree on the road. That's crazy. crazy, guys. That tree literally fell like a minute ago, seconds ago. That's crazy. I could have just died, man. All right, guys. So I had been inactive for like 30 minutes at least. And I just took a fresh market order for $23, going 3 miles, 22 items. I'm on my way to the store, 5 minutes away. Can't complain. I had been seeing a bunch of orders, but they were all like triples or like too many items in miles. So I didn't want to take any of them. This is the most doable order I've seen in a while, so let's do it. Okay guys, that order took me 41 minutes, and right now I'm about 1 mile away from Costco, so I'm gonna stop by to get gas. If I happen to get something from there, nice. Although I have not been getting a lot of Costco orders lately. I'm not seeing them, the good ones. Like very little priority there. So anyway, let's see what happens. But I think I'm gonna put gas and go home because I'm hungry. I need to get lunch, and then we'll see if we can catch something from home, because this rain's kind of annoying, you know. So anyway, let's go. All right, guys, I grabbed a $43 food line from home. It's a double going 11 miles, 50 items or so, 40 something, I don't know. Let's go get started. All right, guys, I grabbed a shipped order, Publix. It's going like 1 mile or something. 15 items. Let's do it. All right, guys, that's it. Small little order. Let's go get it delivered. Man, I can't believe it. I was driving by a Publix and a $29 popped up for 13 items, 0.7 miles, guys. I clicked on it as fast as I could and I missed it. I can't believe it. I'm mad, guys. Alright, guys, I grabbed a $22 food line for like 2.7 miles, 32 items. Not good, but you know what? The only thing I have seen after that 29 that I missed, honestly, I just want to do it and go home. That's it. Now let's go drop it off and hopefully be the last one for the day, unless something really good pops up, which I don't think so.